In the last paragraph, the author acknowledges which problem about asking customers to ditch phones while at the restaurant. A. It scares off customers from frequenting the restaurant. B. Customers refuse to pay extra for using their phones in the restaurant. C. Reservation contract is an inconvenient practice. Or D. It can reduce the number of pictures taken and shared on Instagram by the customers. The last paragraph describes for us how the restaurant Rogue24 asks that all guests refrain from the use of cell phones and photography. However, the text goes on to tell us that the restaurant eventually budged on its stance. Why? To take pictures and share them on Instagram, of course. If the restaurant budged on its stance so customers could continue taking pictures to share on Instagram, we can infer that they liked when customers shared photos on Instagram, and asking them not to use their phones became a problem as customers were no longer able to do this. Because we see this reflected in choice D, it can reduce the number of pictures taken and shared on Instagram by the customers, this is likely our final answer, but we'll take a quick look at the other choices just to be sure. However, taking a look, none of the other choices seem to even be mentioned in the text. Nowhere do we see mention of this policy scaring off customers, or any instance where a customer refused to pay extra to use their phone, or any hint that the reservation contract is an inconvenient practice. Not only did we logically reach choice D, but none of our other choices are even viable options. Based on this, we can mark choice D as our final answer.